Some artificial sunshine. Oh, we've got to plug him in first, haven't we? Are we going backwards or forwards? Well, we are going. I think it'd do better with the carpet underneath. Right, we'll try that again on the carpet. Which way are you going, mate? Something's out of alignment. Try that again. That's better. I had the solar panel reversed. Right, well that works. And it didn't need the carpet. That was because I had the legs reversed, so it was trying to go, the power legs reversed, so it was trying to go backwards when it was trying to go forwards, if that makes any sense. There we go. Elephant. Trying to get a good picture for the thumbnail. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.